This video is brought to you by Technically Not a Technician. Introducing Peer2Profit. What is Peer2Profit? Peer2Profit is a great bandwidth sharing program that lets you sell your unused bandwidth to third parties for profit. Peer2Profit is easy to use and payment depends on what kind of bandwidth and where you are. Peer2Profit runs on Windows, Android, Linux, Mac OS, Docker, and can even be installed on Huawei modems. Peer2Profit is a great paying app. I've been using it for less than a month and it's already paying me a passive income. All I have to do is turn it on and let it run in the background. It couldn't be easier. For best earning results, I install the app on more than one device and spread the devices out to all the IP addresses I have access to. Peer2Profit also has a referral program with a ton of advertising media for you to use to promote them and earn referrals. With Peer2Profit you can earn in two ways. You earn from sharing your bandwidth, and you can earn 50% of whatever your referrals make. If you'd like to take advantage of this great app, please try the referral link in the description. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe.